Hey, and what's up, guys? It's your boy back again. And our shift for the day is 10 to 6. Graveyard shift, guys. And today we're assigned sa ER. So I'm still using my Ausec Nikam. And this is the first time I used it at night. Madilim talaga sa amin, guys. There are no street lights around. So there's a portion here sa biyahe na kinabahan tayo kasi pumagit na talaga yung enforcer eh. It's a checkpoint for trucks only. And we also have this interaction. Tingnan nyo, hinay ko talaga as in mga lasing ata to. Pamuntikan na. No signal lights, disregard talaga sa safety nila. Huwag gagayahin, guys. Anyways, transition tayo. Andito na ako sa hospi and it's very quiet sa ER today. And I know bawal gamitin yung Q word, quiet word, mamingaw sa ER kasi dadagsa talaga yung mga pasyente. And ayan si Kuya Ber, sipag-sipag niyan. Tamang time-lapse muna kasama yung mga legendary dyan. Oh. And so this is probably 3 a.m. or 2. Hindi ko na ma-recall. Basta nagkape muna kami dyan. Coffee break lang muna with the gang. Big thank you pala kay Ma'am Jess for sponsoring. Anyways, that was our night shift and very quiet today. Konti lang yung pasyente. Kaya medyo nakatulog ka din kami. May highlights muna tayo. Cute na interaction kasi nito eh.
Oo, picture ka na yan. Picture. Suwaraw. Raiders yung tanggap yun. Bye-bye, Nay.
Anyways, guys, that is an 8-hour shift done. And uuwi na tayo. Thanks for watching.